Hey there. Want to watch your favorite shows effortlessly and without geo restrictions? Well, IPTV is the answer. Today, we're diving straight in to show you how to sign up for IPTV, starting with choosing a provider. Our top pick, the game changer in IPTV, is 2TV.store. It's gaining popularity for all the right reasons. To sign up, first, navigate to their website. We'll include the direct link for your convenience. Once there, explore the various plans available. There's something for everyone, fitting different needs and budgets. Ready to unlock your IPTV experience? Choose the plan that best fits your streaming appetite effortlessly. Next, you'll be guided to create an account. It's straightforward. Just input your basic information when prompted. Don't worry about complexity. It's as easy as entering your name, email, and password. Fast and secure. Once registered, take advantage of any exclusive promotions we share, starting with the 2TV.store offer link below. Simply download the IPTV app compatible with your devices. Whether it's smart TVs or smartphones, flexibility is key. Install the app effortlessly following the guided installation steps. They ensure a seamless, user-friendly experience. Now, enter your login details. Feel the excitement as you're just moments away from exploring boundless content. Done? You're in. The world of endless content is yours. Start exploring features unique to your IPTV package. Why stick to regional viewing when the world's your oyster? Embrace the freedom IPTV offers you today. We hope this guide lights the path to viewing freedom. Sign up and make the most out of awesome deals. Remember, streaming evolves. Stay informed, entertained, and engaged, all with simple steps at 2TV.store.